It is Saturday morning. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. Tom wakes up at 8 o'clock. He is very happy. Today, Tom will go to the city with his mother. Tom lives in a small village. The village is beautiful, but it is very quiet. There are not many shops. There is no cinema. There is no museum. There are only a few small stores, a small school, and many trees and fields. Tom wants to see the big city because the city is full of life, lights, and people. Tom's mother makes breakfast. She makes bread, cheese, and tea. Tom eats quickly. He puts on his blue shirt and black jeans. He takes his small bag. He is ready. At 9 o'clock, Tom and his mother go to the bus stop. The bus comes at 9:15. Many people are on the bus. Tom finds a seat near the window. The bus leaves the village and goes to the city. Tom looks out of the window. He sees trees, fields, and cows. He sees small houses and gardens. He also sees birds flying in the sky. After 30 minutes, he sees tall buildings. He sees many cars on the road. He sees shops, traffic lights, and people walking everywhere. "This is the city," Tom says with a big smile. The bus stops at the station. Tom and his mother get off. The city is busy. Many people walk fast. Some people talk on phones. Some people carry big bags. There are cars, buses, and bicycles everywhere. Tom feels excited. Everything is new for him. First, Tom and his mother go to a bookshop. It is very big. There are many books on the shelves. There are books about history, art, travel, and science. There are also many books for children. Tom loves reading. He goes to the children's section. He finds a book with a red cover. It is a story about animals. Tom buys the book. The shop assistant smiles and says, "Have a nice day." Tom feels very happy with his new book. After the bookshop, Tom and his mother go to the city park. The park is green and beautiful. There are many tall trees and colorful flowers. In the middle of the park, there is a big fountain. The water is clear and blue. Tom sees children playing football. Some children ride bicycles. Old people sit on benches. They read newspapers and talk quietly. Tom and his mother walk near the fountain. They sit on a bench and eat some snacks. Tom looks at the birds in the sky and thinks, the park is very nice. After the park, Tom and his mother walk to the museum. The museum is very big. There are many interesting things inside. Tom sees old clothes, old tools, and old pictures. He sees a big skeleton of a dinosaur. Tom is very surprised. He says, "Wow, the dinosaur is so big." His mother laughs. They look at many other things. Tom learns about history and animals. He feels smarter. Then they go to a cafe. The cafe is small but nice. Tom and his mother sit near the window. A kind waiter comes and takes their order. Tom drinks orange juice and eats a sandwich. His mother drinks coffee and eats a small cake. Tom looks outside the window. He sees people walking, shopping, and laughing. He likes the city very much. After lunch, Tom and his mother go shopping. They go to a big shopping center. The building is tall and bright. There are many shops inside. Tom sees clothes, shoes, toys, and electronics. Tom's mother buys new shoes. Tom looks at the toy shop. There are many cars, dolls, and games. Tom's mother buys him a small toy car. Tom is very happy. Next, they walk to the cinema. The cinema is very large. There are posters of new movies. Tom and his mother buy tickets for a children's film. They go inside and sit in big chairs. The lights go off and the movie starts. The movie is funny. Tom laughs many times. He eats popcorn and drinks juice. He enjoys the movie very much. After the movie, Tom and his mother walk in the city streets again. The streets are full of lights. There are many shops with big windows. Tom sees a music shop. There are guitars, pianos, and drums inside. Tom loves music. He tells his mother, "One day, I want to play the guitar." His mother smiles and says, "Maybe next time we can buy you a guitar." Tom feels excited. Later, they go to the train station. Near the station, there is a big clock. Tom looks at the time. It is already 6 o'clock. The day in the city is almost over. Tom feels a little tired, but he is still happy. They go back to the bus station. The bus arrives and they get on. Tom sits near the window again. He looks at the city one more time. The lights are shining. People are walking. Cars are moving. The city is beautiful at night. The bus leaves the city. Tom looks out of the window again. Now he sees fields, trees, and small houses. The sky is dark, but the moon is bright. Tom feels sleepy. He closes his eyes. He dreams about the city, the museum, the park, and the cinema. At 7 o'clock, the bus arrives at the village. Tom and his mother get off. They walk home. Tom tells his father about the big city. He talks about the bookshop, the park, the museum, the cafe, the shopping center, the cinema, and the music shop. His father listens with interest. Tom says, "The city is very big and very exciting. I want to go there again." That night, Tom goes to bed. He is very tired, but also very happy. He thinks about the next trip to the city. He knows that the city is full of new things to see and to learn. He smiles and closes his eyes. Soon, he is asleep.